Hello lecture laners. Today we'll be looking at two-digit multiplication. I hope you enjoy. Hello everybody. Today we're doing two-digit multiplication. Now I've got two problems for us today. Our first problem is 34 times 56, and our second problem is 72 times 93. Now, looking at our first problem, the first step is to look at the bottom right number. Now, the bottom right number is a 6. The next step is to multiply that number by the one above it. So 6 times 4 is 24. So we put the 2 of the 24 above the next number along, and we put the 4 underneath the 6. Then we'll move on to the next number along on the top number, which is the 3. So we're going to do 3 times 6, which is 18. Now remember that 2 that we just took away from our 24? Well, we're going to add that to our 18. So I'm going to cross out the 2 so that it becomes 20. And I'm going to write 20. Now we're going to look at the tens number for 56, which is the 5. And we're going to do the exact same thing, except because the 5 is in the tens spot, we need to start by putting a 0. Now we do 5 times 4, which is 20. So we put the 2 above for the next one, and the 0 down below. Then we do 5 times 3, which is 15. But we add the 2 we just saved, and we cross it out. So 15 plus 2 is 17. So we write our 17. Then the last step is to add these two numbers. So looking at the ones, we have 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens spot, we have 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 7 is 9. And 1 stays as a 1. Okay, let's now try the second problem. So again, we're going to look at the bottom right number, which is the 3. And we're going to multiply it by the number above to start us off. So 3 times 2 is 6. So we're going to write the 6 down below. Then we're going to move on to the next number, which is 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. So we're going to write 21. Now that we finished our top number, we move on to the second number, which is the 9. Now because it's in the 10 spot, we have to write an extra 0. Now we do 9 times 2 is 18. So we're going to keep the 1 of the 18. And write the 8. Then we're going to do 9 times 7, which is 63. But we have that 1 spare. So we're going to cross out the 1 to add it on to our 63. And that's going to be 64. So then we write 64. All we have to do to finish it off is to add these two numbers together. So 0 plus 6 is 6 in our 1 spot. 1 plus 8 is 9 in our 10 spot. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then the 6 is all by itself. So there you are. I hope that helps with your two-digit multiplication. Please like and subscribe if this helped.